In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new email account in hPanel. If you want to set up a professional email address using your domain, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps so you can create your new mailbox without confusion. To begin, log into hPanel. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look at the top menu and select Emails. This is the section where you manage all email-related settings for your hosting account. If you have more than one service or several tools available in your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area before moving on. After opening the email section, choose the domain you want to use for your new email account. This is important, especially if your hosting account includes multiple domains. Selecting the correct domain ensures that the email address you create will match the website or business identity you intend to use. Once you've selected the right domain, click Email Accounts to continue. From there, look for the option labeled Create Email Account and click it. This will open the setup form for your new mailbox. In the email address field, enter the name you want to use before the @ symbol. Try to choose something clear and professional, depending on how the mailbox will be used. For example, many people create addresses for general contact, support, sales, or personal team use. Next, enter a password for the new email account. Make sure it's strong and secure. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using anything too simple or easy to guess. Since this email account may be used for important communication, taking a few extra seconds to create a secure password is a smart idea. Once the email address and password are filled in, click Create. hPanel will then generate the new email account for your selected domain. After that, your mailbox should be ready to use. At this point, you've successfully created a new email account in hPanel. Be sure to save your login details somewhere secure so you can access the mailbox later from webmail or connect it to an email app if needed. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to create a new email account in hPanel quickly and correctly.